Hi guys, I'm Anthony. This is Anthony's Antic. Today we'll be unboxing some FPV goggles on upcoming projects.
So here we have some FPV goggles. They're from Pixel Electric. Check them out if you're ever looking for anything. So open them up right now. Let's check the recording. Yep, recording. Okay. So open this side. Open this one.
Yes, here are the FPV goggles. They're 5.8 gigs. They have a 40-inch screen, LCD, and they come with the battery, so you don't need extra battery. Apparently they have a pretty good screen, so let's just open them and find out what's in there. Manual. Doesn't look too complicated, looks pretty basic. In here we have some cables and looks like the antennas, so I'll just put that here. And then we have the main goggles. They're actually smaller than I thought, but looks like they're pretty good. You can see the screen inside there, the 4 buttons, 2 plates for the antenna, and the headbands. So let's look at the manual, see what it says. Okay, I guess we have an AV port. I guess it's in and out, so I guess you can put video into these and watch from here. That's pretty cool. You have your 2 antennas and these cables, which I'm not sure how to use it. So let's just put in these antennas. It's labeled A and B. Doesn't say anything here. I guess just plug them in. So it doesn't look like it came with a charger, but that's fine. I think I have just a regular USB. I hope I put these antennas in right. It's labeled A and B here, but there's nothing on the antennas. This goes in here, and then I guess you plug these in. Oh my goodness, I'm blind. Here's the charger. Regular USB charger. Plug it in here. Here there's this, which I guess is to put video into these. So they're pretty good. I'll try to charge them up and show you the inside. Thank you. So I just turned them on, haven't charged them yet. You can see here there's a power button, and I'll try to show you what it looks like inside. I read the manual. Looks like these 3 cables. There's one, the red one is audio out, white one audio in, yellow one is video in and out. So like I said, you can watch things from these, which I don't think would be great, but yeah. Anyways, let me try, see if you can see into these. So to turn them on, you just hold the power button. So we'll hold it. Try get you to see in there. There's nothing right now because I don't have the drone yet. But yeah, see in the corner there's a low battery signal, which means I probably need to charge it. If I did have the drone, I'd press this. Can I get in focus? Press this press the search button, and the red text says that it's searching. So right now it will be searching for the signal for the drone. Nearly forgot to show you. Let's see. If you look into the goggles, okay, let's try focus it. We also have a menu, so if you hold this down for a bit, you can see the contrast, saturation, things like that. If you hold this down again, you can go down and just change these things. And then if you leave it, it will just go off.